How to make 3D shape particles in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift plus space. Search for Shape 3D, Merge 3D, Renderer 3D, and add them and connect them to Media Out. Select Renderer 3D node and enable lighting and shadows. Select Shape 3D node and change shape to a shape you want. Here I use ICO and decrease its size. Now select Merge 3D node, press Shift plus space, search for ambient light, and add it. Increase intensity to your liking. Press Shift plus space, search for spotlight, and add it. Decrease intensity and in the Transform tab, increase translation Z value. Now go to Effects tab, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Drag one of these shaders into Composition and connect it to Shape 3D. To add some animation to the shape, select Shape 3D and click on Transform tab. Right-click on the Y property and choose Modify with Anim Curves. Right-click on X property and choose Connect to Anim Curves on Shape 3D Y value. Now in the Modifiers tab, set Curve to Easing, and Out to Cubic, and Scale to 360. Now we have this Shape 3D and it's time to add particles. Drag P Emitter node. Press Shift plus space, search for P Turbulence and P Renderer, and add them. Disconnect Renderer 3D and connect P Render node to Media Out. Select Emitter and in the Region tab, change Region to Rectangle. Increase width and height to fill the viewer. Click on Style tab, and change Style to Bitmap. Select all the nodes related to 3D, right-click on one of them, and choose Group. Once again select Emitter node, then drag the group into Style Bitmap text box. Now we have these particles from the 3D shape we created. Click on Controls tab and move Playhead to the start. Change number to a value you like and click on Diamond button next to it. With keyboard right arrow key go forward one frame and set number to 0. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.